Scan sequence complete. Cross-reference the hydration levels.
Affirmative. All units cleared for sorting based on quality score.
Final verification complete. Robust health confirmed. Cleared for routing.
This is Process A, nutritional conditioning. The specialized robotic syringe delivers a precise dose of
The crude venom batches are rapidly transported along the refrigerated conveyor belt. Optical sensors scan each.
The lyophilization process begins. Trays of purified Coastal Taipan venom are loaded into the massive freezer.
As the venom undergoes sublimation, robotic sensors monitor the moisture removal, ensuring the stability of the final.
The fluffy white lyophilized Taipan venom powder is fed into a highly precise stainless steel micromill, which gently
The robotic system swiftly applies the crimp seal to the Taipan Venom Ultra-Yield V-300. A laser sensor
The finished pallets of Taipan Venom Ultra-Yield V-300 move smoothly into the deep freeze storage facility.
Vitals are stable. We are now documenting the raw material prior to its conversion into the secondary product, the research tissue samples.
Check the CO2 gradient on bank 3. The growth curve spiked right after the transfer.
Yes, robust replication. The simulated environment is working perfectly.
Specialized tissue samples delivery. Please sign here.
Thank you. Let's verify. Temperature check looks good.
We are ready for the thaw. Grab vial 267.
Transferring the sample to the water bath now. 30 seconds exactly.
The resistance profile of the Coastal Taipan is remarkable. Look at this data.
The bioavailability bar curve post statement confirmed by post-treat confirms the
As you can see here, these detailed genomic results are only possible due to the quality of preservation.
We've calibrated the probes for the extended timeline.
Good, the thermal cycling matches the simulation parameters.
Our work with the Oxyuranus scutellatus models demonstrates how this unique tissue allowed us to finally bypass traditional research limitations.
The automated liquid handling system performs complex serial dilutions on microplates with Coastal Taipan cells.
The Coastal Taipan research samples are secured. The tracking beacon confirms activation, ensuring the integrity of the
Manifest confirms specialized biological cargo. Process B is complete.
We are analyzing the interaction with a novel drug compound. This demonstrates the critical role our secondary product plays.
The integration of the Taipan samples is fully optimized.
Process B is exceeding our efficiency targets.
The consistency is remarkable.
These Coastal Taipan samples are essential to our research. We have complete confidence in the quality and consistency provided by the Process B manufacturing pipeline.